This is the Vibe 7. It's an amazing smartwatch with Bluetooth calling capability built into it that you can toggle on and off directly from the watch. You've got brightness controls, your overall settings, and lots of information from the swipe down screen. Coming up, you got notifications sent to you from your phone, and this direction, we get into a lot of different things like your step count. When you tap it, you get calories burned, distance traveled, a bar chart across the day, and your information from the past several days are on here as well. Last night's sleep time with light sleep, deep sleep, a complete chart, and again, more 7-day information. And even access to all of your different exercise options on here, and results of those will show up right here. You have phone call capability, your call records, an overall dial pad where you can set up and place a call. Speaker is right over here, and the microphone is hidden behind this little panel under the bottom right there. You can get your contacts synchronized from your phone, everything you need right there. In health, you now have heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. You also have weather in your area with the forecast, and that weather can be set up any place you want in Fahrenheit or centigrade that you set in the app. Remote shutter capability to take pictures with your phone, and remote music player that when you trigger from the watch will play through the watch whatever you have it set to play from your phone. Pretty sophisticated. Last thing is an inhale-exhale breathing routine to help with your mindfulness and relaxation. Tap here, get you back. You can change to a variety of different watch faces that are all in here. Several stock faces, one optional face you can download from the app, and there's a huge listing of available watch faces for you that you can choose from. Really nice design, elegant band. It even has a special little compartment to put the end loop in if you like, or as you saw, you can leave it open and hook it up separately. All of your diodes and things are here on the back. You've got the speaker again, the microphone's there, and 2 buttons that run this watch. It's an excellent hardened Bluetooth calling watch. It's called the Vibe 7. Check it out.